Hey guys, what's up? So, in this video I'm going to show you the most useful thing that I've bought in my whole photography career. I mean, not considering the camera, of course. So, let's get right to it. The most useful thing that I bought was this. This is a flash. This is not this one. This one I pretty much used for like a couple months and it broke. But this one, this is the GODOX TT600. It's not really like the most powerful flash that they have. They have like bigger ones, but this is the one I have, and it does the job for me basically, which is, you know, going out doing portrait sessions at nighttime. You know, you might need extra light just for that little bit of extra sharpness. So what I usually do with these is I usually put this on top of them. So this actually works as like a softer light. This would just be harsh light coming straight out of the flash. You could also do this, but this is usually what I do. And also what I usually use are these. These are like wireless receivers that I bought. They came with the first flash, but the first flash broke after some time. So I still have these. These are still good. So what these are like wireless receivers. I'll link them down in the description. You can go check them out. So we have the camera right here. So what this does is this goes on top of the camera like this, and then you just make it, tighten it up and everything. And this is the next part. This goes inside the hot shoe of the camera, and what you just do is tighten it up. And this is actually battery operated. Both of them take batteries. I recommend just buying rechargeable batteries. I'll show you what I use later on, maybe another different video. So what this does is it goes in here, and now this actually comes with the flash itself. So what this does is this goes on it, under it. This is to make it, you know, stand up. What you need to do now is turn it on, and then you just put this on here. Now take a photo, turn this on, this thing on flash, turn the flash on. But now do this, and I don't know if you saw that, but that actually took a photo with the flash. So I use these gels with the flash. This actually goes on top of the flash. This actually came with one of the double tapes, and you just tape it on there and you leave it on there, and then when the flash goes off, it's like a different color. What I do is usually put this in here, then I just use the flash, and it's a little softer, and then this is also a different color, so it also makes the flash pop out with a different color and like softer light. This is a really useful item if you're doing nighttime photography. I would really recommend you buying this. And if you pair it up with this thing right here, this would really, you know, step up your game, make your photos look really good if you use it right. One other thing that I wanted to let you guys know is never do this. I've had someone actually break their flash because they put this right on top of the flash. I don't know why, maybe because it overheats or reflects into the flash and maybe break the bulb or something, but that's something you want to avoid. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.